In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Wix. While Wix doesn't use a traditional table element, you can build a clean table-like layout using the built-in lists and grids. This approach is great for pricing, comparison features, schedules, or any information that needs clear columns and rows. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor or Wix Studio. Both interfaces work for this method, and the process is nearly identical. Load the page where you want your table to appear so you can place it exactly where it belongs in your design. Next, open the Add menu, then go to List and Grids. Here, you'll see a variety of grid and repeater options. Pick a layout that already looks close to a table, something with multiple columns and neatly stacked items. You can always fine-tune spacing, fonts, and colors later, so choose a simple, readable style to start. If you plan to display lots of information, favor a layout with clear column separation and enough room for headings and values. Drag the grid onto your page and position it where you want it. Use the on-screen guides to align it with other elements, and drag the handles to resize the grid so it fits your content width. Leave a little breathing room around it for readability, especially if it sits near text or images. Now select the element and open either Manage Items or Edit Grid. Manage Items is where you control the content itself. Click into each item to replace placeholder text with your own labels, headers, and values. You can duplicate an item to create additional rows, rename items for clarity, and delete any you don't need. Keep your wording consistent across rows so the table reads quickly. Edit Grid focuses on structure and design. Here you adjust the number of columns, the item spacing, and overall alignment. Set uniform item height for a strict table look, and increase the gutter or padding if the content feels cramped. Consider bolding header text, using a slightly different background for header items, or alternating row colors to improve scanning. Also check text size and contrast so your data is easy to read. When you're done shaping both content and layout, glance over the grid to confirm everything lines up cleanly and nothing wraps awkwardly. That's all there is to it. Using lists and grids gives you a flexible table-like design that matches your site's style.